Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I made homemade chili beans, but it's a small batch. Okay, it's only 1 pound of ground turkey. I used ground turkey, but you can definitely use ground beef. And I only used 1 can of beans, okay, 14-ounce can. And these came out super good, and it's just not tons, because some people don't have big families, but 1 pound is enough for most families. Okay, so they came out super good. So let me show you how I made them.
So first, right here, I have my chopper, and I'm gonna add 1/4 of an onion and 1 garlic clove. You don't have to do it this way, but I like my onion and garlic cloves chopped really finely. You can do it with a knife if you want. This is a medium stock pot. I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and here are my onion and my garlic. I'm gonna cook them up for about 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add half of a red bell pepper, and I'm gonna cook it up for 1 more minute. Now I added 1 pound of ground turkey. You could use ground beef. Cook it until it's no longer pink. These are some spices: 2 tablespoons of California chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, black pepper, oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. And I added 1 10-ounce can of Rotel and 15-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. Now I'm coming in with 2 cups of beef broth. I'm gonna give that a good stir. And now I have a 15-ounce can of pinto beans. You could use kidney beans, you could use any kind of beans that you like. And so at this point, I grabbed a spoon and I wanted to taste my seasonings, and oh, they are spot on. This came out so good. These chili beans are a good batch, and it's a small batch. A lot of the recipes ended up having 2 pounds of beef. So I just lowered the flame to a simmer, and I simmered it for 15 minutes. And oh my goodness, this was really a good batch of chili beans. So my chili beans were a hit. They were very tasty. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell to get all my recipes. And I'll see you next time.